Alright, what is up boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, I will be your host, Crypto Maximalist. Thank you very much for getting involved in the content as always. We're taking a look at XRP here on the daily time frame. Before we begin, please do like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. And with all that being said, we are just taking a quick look here at XRP on the daily time frame. You can see quite clearly that we have essentially had that huge pump with, basically the SEC case being resolved and it being very favorable for Ripple. Obviously a huge impact on XRP. Massive breakout of this bear market resistance of this previous bear market. As you can see, we ran all the way up in a huge 103% candle to the 618. Fibonacci pulled from the high of this bull market here down to the current low of the bear market. You can see come up, touch this pretty much perfectly, and then obviously get the rejection, coiling up here. If we take a look at the hourly time frame, you can see this much better. Coiling formation, break to the upside to retest this area here, and then since then we have been retracing and coiling back down to the downside, really putting in potentially, you would say, a little bit of something like this. Really, it is just a little bit of a range that we are putting in right now. I did say before when I saw this pump happen that it was probably quite likely that we would see ourselves come down and fill some of the gap that we have seen being formed here. You can see there's this huge area of untested area that we haven't really seen touched. We obviously flew past all of this and now we're hoping to start, retesting as support in these areas. But I did say previously that we're probably quite likely to come down and see a bit of a breakdown back test in my opinion. Currently sitting at 69 cents for XRP, which is quite funny, at the bottom of this overall bit of, this overall area that we have seen here. Obviously with Bitcoin rolling over as well, I think it probably has dragged the price action of XRP to the downside as well. And I think it's probably fairly likely that we will see a bit more downside for XRP, in my opinion. Obviously, we could see a big bounce here and, a continuation of this kind of ranging motion that we have seen. We can see that the 038 Fibonacci, the 050 Fibonacci, I should say, apologies, hasn't been that well respected. Obviously, it was support here, a little bit of resistance, flipped back into support maybe, but really we came down here and just rolled over and kind of ignored it for the most part. And right now we are kind of sitting at the lower end of this area where we have been bouncing around in for XRP ever since that big pump. Obviously we are looking for that settlement on the lawsuit now. If we do see the settlement, we could see some crazy price action to the upside as well. But right now it looks like XRP is essentially just chopping it sideways in and around this area here. I'd probably expect a little bit more retracement in my opinion, but we could easily see ourselves ranging in this area, as I said, anywhere from around 67 cents up to around 86, 87 cents realistically in my opinion. So for now we are just sitting and waiting and seeing what's going to happen next with XRP. As always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, get involved in the content, comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next video.